Hi guys, so welcome back. And yes, you guys read the title. I have two bag unboxings for you guys. Okay, this is insane because it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll probably be posting this on a different day. Just because have a specific one, but it depends actually. It depends if I'm going to feel like posting it still on the same day as I'm posting. One of the biggest reveals that I have also because I was like shocked about it. So yeah, so this one is unplanned. I'm just really giddy. I'm actually really ready for bed. But I am giddy and everybody's already getting ready to sleep, or a few of them are already asleep. My daughter is asleep, and I just want this Christmas to be, very Christmassy for me too. So I have this too, and of course they're from two different people, and they have asked me on specifically. They actually also mentioned like their roundabout budgets because I do like to review some of, especially gifts that I specifically ask, or if they ask me a wish list, I want to review it also. Because if they're beautiful, I want to share it also to everybody. So these ones are both asked to me, but I didn't choose any of the colors. I just know they're both Mini Kelly 22. I won't be able to know what they got. So I just shared them a few of the links of where we get Mini Kelly 22s just because I fell in love with my hubby gifting me the baby blue one, the beta one in on my birthday. That was such a beautiful. I'd like used that so much constantly. And then he also got me the beautiful yellow one. And honestly, I was like so happy already, and I can't believe how much I've used the mini Kellys. Even of course, my first one was actually the box leather that my hubby actually. All of my mini Kellys have been from my hubby. This one I can't disclose, but this one I can because this is from my hubby. So this is his Christmas gift to me. So I'm actually very happy with that. I'm so excited, and so yeah, I was able to like show him a couple of the things. I also show him also like bigger bags, but I like I said, I wanted him to choose. I want him to choose what it feels like it would be good for me. So apparently it's a mini Kelly. So both of them still are not in a box. So I'm rambling too much on, but so let's open the first one. So the first one is in here. But again, like I said, it didn't come in this box. Okay, come like a one of it came like in a box, and then one came like a wrapped up plastic. But it was super secured because my hubby had to check them, and and then he said that there's no damage, there's no injuries on any of the bags. So let's open it. Okay. So I don't know what's the position of this. So okay. So the first bag. So it's literally plain because it's usually just in a dust bag. So not to worry, they all come in a dust bag. The plain typical white dust bag when you get from ordering online from China, from overseas. And this, okay, I'm shocked also because the color. It's not something I usually choose. I think I barely have this kind of color. I do have like a beige color, but I don't have this color, but it's such a neutral. And this in Hermes is loved by a lot of people. But I do notice one thing. This doesn't have the contrast stitching because taupe, that's the color that this is supposed to be, is not is supposed to be contrast stitching, but this one is not. As you can see, I'll put it up close and near. So there. And of course, it came. Oh, okay. So this one is like replica type because it has the Hermes Paris. So I really want to share it to you guys because if you want to buy here, then go at the shop because I will link the shop of where this one is from. This one was chosen by the person I told you that asked me and gave me a budget about it. I haven't asked for a budget or things like that. And so I'm kind of revealing them now for you guys. So let's see the inside. I'm curious. This I never had one that has a branding on it, and I usually don't opt for one that has a branding on it, so I'm opening it right now. Like seriously, this is the first time I'm seeing this, and I'll bring okay. So it literally has that. See, as you can see, as like the Hermes branding. And I know for sure that this is not the real one. It doesn't smell like leather, but it doesn't smell like rubber. It doesn't stink like that. Okay. I know what leather smells like. So this one doesn't. But we'll see because we're also going to check the wear and tear of this. And like I said, I will link so you guys would know where it is from. Okay, so it was hard to remove the plastics on the sangles. Like I literally have to loosen this part here, this one, so I'll be able to remove everything. I actually love removing the stickers. I don't know why. It just gets me like happy, and it gets fulfilling, even if it's hard to remove. Okay, that took a while. That took a while for a bit. Okay, I finally removed it, and here it is. Here it is closed, and it's actually heavy. So I think this is leather. It's just not the leather that I'm used to, and sadly, this one has the stitching at the back is actually a bit unraveling. So I'm gonna share you that, but that's why I wanted to share all the details is because like I said, it's unknown that some of the bags that I've been trying, or just some of the shops that I've been trying, are unknown to me. I haven't tried them yet. That's why I want to reveal it because if they're really, really nice or good and the price is good, I would get it. But if not, if it's something to you guys, it will be a concern, then of course I'm glad to inform it to you guys. Plus, I will also have a long term review of them. So this one has, oh, it has some foam inside. Oh, that's great. And then it has, as you can see, it has the tag. And so it has a pillow, so that's great. And it has a long strap. And the long strap is actually very different. Here, as you can see there, the cut is actually very different. I don't know, but it's actually different. It's nice. And I have to combine it still, so it's not attached again. So some of the other bags I actually have are like this too. So we're just going to connect it. Now this is the one that's different from the actual Kellys or the actual mini Kellys because they don't have adjustable strap. But if you have a like the blue box, or like you get to choose the special, what is it, special order, you get to choose the length of your strap. But for me here, I don't have the convenience. So I think this is still leather because based on the quality of the strap, I think this is real leather, but this color is beautiful. This is like perfect if you don't want to go too much, go overboard, or especially if you have like a crazy, crazy outfit. This one will help tone down it because it's such a nice, simple bag. It's very nice in color, simple. If you don't know the brand, then you don't know this bag. But aside from that, I love it so much. This is stunning. I mean, come on. I I'm so happy. I've been checking a lot of things on my wish list. So I probably will overlap the logo because this color is something that I really, really like and something I'm very interested in. So that is the bag. I'm totally talking a lot about this one. So we're going to the second one. So let's reveal the second bag. Okay. My hubby has only one thing that he says about this. It's I'm gonna love it, and I've always wanted it. That's what he said. I've always wanted, and I've already gotten a lot of the things that I've always wanted. Like it's something like a must. Like if it goes on sale, I'm gonna get it. I'm seeing a glimpse of the colors. I'm not sure if it is that. So let's reveal. I saw the color, and I guess you guys saw the color also. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's like the same color. So this is a mini Kelly 22 in orange. I think this is probably the Hermes orange, but I'm not gonna like be sure about it. But Okay, this one smells like leather. I'm so sorry, but I had to smell it. I had to be sure, but yeah, this one smells like leather. This is such a beautiful bag. Okay, I know now I understand why my hubby said that I've always wanted this because I told him a story about when I was still loving the bags that I get from my aunts, my uncles, before I wasn't like choosing bags or specifically this design. I have this beautiful clutch bag that has a strap, like a mini strap, and it's in a bright orange, almost close to this orange. I think that one is a bit more darker, just a bit. And I've used that constantly, like super constantly. And I love wearing it. But unfortunately, and I actually retired that at the earliest was college. So I really, really love it to the point that until college I was still able to use it. But the strap, like, got cut off, like even though where it's attached to. And I really need a bag that has straps. I'm not a person who's just like literally clutch that I just put here under my arms. I'm not that person. So after that, I know that I had to give it up. I told him that I always wanted an orange bag, and now I got it. I got an orange bag in a mini Kelly 22. That's insane. And it's in a gold hardware. A lot of people actually like it in silver hardware, but I really like it in a gold hardware. It looks beautiful in a gold hardware. The Birkin he actually gave me the Birkin 30 for Halloween. He got me that, and that my pumpkin bag. That's also in gold hardware, and I couldn't have it any other way. There are some bags that I prefer still, whether it's big or small, to be in a specific hardware. So this one, I'm rambling on. Let's unwrap it. This one is just probably the same with the others. I'll just unwrap it quickly and show you guys the details. So, okay, so I removed most of the already, all the stickers and everything like that. So this is what it's gonna look like when I wear it. So beautiful. I can see it. Now I'll be reviewing a lot of this in like a detailed review of how much I'm going to be wearing it. But yeah, so it has like a really flimsy cover like that. Oh, here's the long strap. So this one has only the long strap. It doesn't have a lock key and clochette here. But like I said, I don't really use the lock key and clochette in any of my bags. I don't hang them because it actually scares me. I'm gonna roll it because that's usually me whenever I unravel a bag. The bag is stunning. Oh, by the way, I also wanted to reveal that this is not from the same shop as where my hubby got actually the other bag, the baby blue one. So this one's from different. I'm still trying to figure out what's the name of this bag or what I'm gonna name this one as well as this. But yes, these are the two mini Kelly 22s that I got right now. They are so beautiful. This is like the perfect top tier cherry on top on my Christmas. I will be revealing my other things that I got for Christmas in another video, but I really want to focus this on these twins because I'm gonna say they're twins because they came together. So I'm so happy. I hope you guys have a happy Christmas because I really did. And this has been insane. Like these colors are so beautiful. Like I have a neutral already. I could use with everything. Like I could pair this with anything. And if you're a person who actually is looking for a neutral bag, it's not gonna scream, but it's like a mini Kelly, go for this color, the taupe color. And if you want to go crazy, and if you're me who likes pop-up colors in bags, get the orange one. It is super worth it. If ever I'm gonna get a bag, or probably top of the wish list that I would have is like the Rose Sakura or like a beautiful baby yellow Birkin. They're both Birkin, okay? Birkin 25, Rose Sakura, silver hardware, very specifically silver hardware because I fell in love. Like it was a sign. It was a sign also that I wanted in Birkin 25. And then also hopefully I find one in Swift leather. I don't know if I will, or Clemence leather. It's like a soft, grainy leather. And then with the other one, which is a baby yellow, I don't know what color it would be. Maybe a limoncello or citron. I'm not sure if it's citron or Jean Poussin. Almost close to the baby yellow that I have, but Birkin 25 and in gold hardware. I don't know. I just preferred it in gold hardware. I saw Joshua Liu's Birkin in silver hardware, but I'd still prefer it in gold hardware. So yeah, that's probably the bag that I want. And other than that, I'm not really constantly asking with the others. But of course, the other ones I'm still happy if I ever get them. If I ever gifted a bag, I'll still be happy about it. But yeah. And that is the video for today. I hope you guys like this video and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!